Now, in Matthew 11:27 and in John 14:7 and 10, no one knows the Father except the Son, and no one knows the Son except the Father, and ought the Son's will to know who the Father is. Now, in 1 John 2:22-23, Christ himself is the Father and the Son. I see it again. Jesus Christ himself is the Father and the Son. He has two titles, but he is one God, the Spirit. You cannot say that the Father and the Son are a distinct God. Father and Son are one. Two titles, but one God.